Are the workers at your practice inadvertently misclassified as independent contractors when they should be employees? I'm Erin Jackson with Jackson LLP Healthcare Lawyers. This is a common source of confusion and concern for practice owners. However, it's an important distinction and one that can face penalties if you get it wrong. While employers definitely prefer to classify workers as independent contractors, it saves them money, the workers definitely benefit from being classified as employees. They face a lower tax burden, and they also get benefits like overtime and workers' compensation. For these reasons, the penalties for getting it wrong can be significant. First of all, you could be sued by your worker, saying that you inadvertently classified them as an independent contractor when they should have been an employee, and you therefore owe them damages in the form of lost wages and lost benefits. Second, the federal government could get involved. They could decide that you had accidentally misclassified the worker, in which case they would fine you a whole list of fines, including the percentage of lost benefits or lost wages that they deem appropriate in that situation. But if the federal government determines you did this intentionally, that you knew this person should have been an employee and you still made them an independent contractor, the government may fine you 100% of the cost of things like workers' compensation or other benefits that you should have been offering all along. If you do it intentionally, you can also face criminal penalties. That means jail. Another risk of all of this is that the reputation that you have earned in your community could be very tarnished if your employees start suing you and if the federal government is after you with fines and penalties. So it's very important to consult with both your attorney who understands your workers and with a tax professional who understands the implications of all of this. One way to fix it is to ensure that the contract you maintain with each of your workers appropriately and accurately describes their role at your practice. And in order to help facilitate this, many states are going to a model where everyone is assumed to be an employee unless the employer can prove that they're actually an independent contractor. To learn more about how this impacts your practice and how to protect yourself and your workers, check out our website at jacksonllp.com. You can also book a complimentary consultation there with one of our lawyers. For tips about staying compliant, subscribe to our YouTube channel.